There is an indefinable, mysterious power that pervades everything. I feel it, though I do not see it. It is this unseen power which makes itself felt and yet defies all proof.
આત્મવિશ્વાસનો એક જ અર્થ છે, પોતાના કામમાં અતૂટ શ્રદ્ધા.
मेरा धर्म सत्य और अहिंसा पर आधारित है. सत्य मेरा भगवान है, अहिंसा उसे पाने का साधन.
You may never know what results come of your action, but if you do nothing, there will be no results.
Isn't it great listening to certain words which just bless our ears? It sure is.
आप सभी को हमारा नमस्कार and a very good afternoon to everyone. It's a great pleasure to have you all the teachers and students back together once again for a very interesting occasion.
अहिंसा की तलवार लिए और सच्चाई का लिए पैगाम, बिन हथियार लड़े वो फिर भी हार गया शैतान. इसी कारण कहलाते हैं वो हमारे बापू महात्मा गांधी, यानी हमारे प्यारे बापू. कौन परिचित नहीं है उनसे. दांडी मार्च से लेकर सत्याग्रह की नींव रखने तक भारत देश की आजादी में उनका बहुमूल्य योगदान है.
Gandhi Jayanti, the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the man with the honorific title of Mahatma added to his name. It's very rare for someone to create as great an impact on a nation as Mahatma Gandhi did on India.
The journey of this great personality began from October 2nd, 1869. Born and raised in an Indian Gujarati family, Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa for his law training. But when Gandhiji came to South Africa, he had to deal with racial discrimination.
Once, while traveling on a stagecoach along with Europeans, he was asked to sit near the driver on the floor. Gandhiji came forward with refusal as it was great humiliation for him. But consequently, he had to suffer beating because of his refusal.
Several more such incidents ultimately led Mahatma Gandhi to begin questioning the standing of his people in the British Empire.
सन 1915 में गांधी जी भारत लौटे. उस वक्त तक भारत में स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी थी. गांधी जी ने इस स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के लिए बहुत से आंदोलनों को रंग लाया, जैसे कि खेड़ा सत्याग्रह, खिलाफत, चंपारण सत्याग्रह, सिविल डिसोबीडियंस और क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. इससे हमें गांधी जी के अमूल्य योगदान की जानकारी होती है.
Now that's a lot about our great hero, isn't it? No matter how much ever we try, we cannot compile all his great deeds of more than 50 years together. Enough of talking. We will begin today's occasion with a beautiful song sung by one of our mates. Let's sit back and enjoy.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे. भूले हम राह, हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे. ऐनक पहने, लाठी पकड़े, चलते हैं वो शान से. जालिम का बेथर कर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम है. कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे. दुबले से पतले से थे वो, चलते सीना तान के. बंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, बंदे में था दम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे